Or what? Alright, today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Texas Chainsaw Massacre, the beginning uncut version. As you can see, we've got the Texas Chainsaw Massacre 2003 right here on the left, and the Texas Chainsaw Massacre, the beginning, on my right here. And yeah, that's not the uncut version, that's just the standard version. And right here is the Texas Chainsaw Massacre, the beginning uncut version. So yeah, let's waste our time and get straight into this. Oh my god. Oh, god damn, this looks sick. Alright, the Texas Chainsaw Massacre, the beginning, uncut. Too shocking for cinemas. Damn. So this is a 2-disc set. As you can see, we've got Leatherface wearing... Oh, by the way, this is a spoiler. But yeah, you can see Leatherface wearing Eric's face right here. And here's the back. Freaking hell. Let me just show the spine real quick. Alright, so we got like the DVD icon right there. We got Leatherface's face right there. The Texas Chainsaw Massacre, the beginning, uncut, 2-disc set. New Line Cinema, 18. Alright, I'm gonna take this out the wrapper and then I'll read the back. Alright, so the wrapper's off. Oh my god, this cover looks absolutely insane. This mask looks so menacing. Like, look at it! But yeah, let's read the back. The only thing more shocking than how it ended is how it all began. Uncut, too shocking for cinemas. Take a bone-chilling journey into evil and witness how Thomas Hewitt became the infamous and deranged serial killer Leatherface. Born under the most gruesome of conditions, an abandoned baby is found and taken in by the demented Hewitt family. As he grows under their morbid nurturing, Thomas develops a ravenous appetite for chainsaws and torture. This is unfortunate for 4 teens captured by the shady local sheriff and brought to the Hewitts' sadistic house of horrors. There, the teenagers must fight to survive as Thomas's murderous desires are unleashed and Leatherface is born. So you've got some pictures right here. You've got Leatherface with a chainsaw right there. We've got the sheriff with Eric. Oh, that's where he's wrapping a what's it called? Shrink and wrap around his face. And then we've got what's his name? Dean. I think this is a spoiler again. This is Dean's death, where Leatherface puts a chainsaw through his back, then lifts him from the ground, and then he's just chainsawing him, and then he throws him against like some lockers. Absolutely menacing. So disc 1 uncut version and theatrical version of the feature with optional filmmakers commentary. Disc 2 deleted scenes, extended scenes including 3 alternate endings with optional filmmakers commentary, down to the bone theatrical trailer. So I think the Blu-ray version's got the special features already. Feature runtime, uncut version 92 minutes approximate. Theatrical version 89 minutes approximate. Alright, and if you want to read the rest, just pause it right there. So yeah, let's take a look inside. Oh, yo, that disc looks sick. What the hell? Oh, don't know why it's got this like cool or is it like murky glossy effect to it? Matte glossy murky effect. Can't really describe it. Well, that looks sick. Also, what is this? Wait, this can't be a poster, or is it a booklet? Is that a poster? So yeah, this is disc 1. And this is disc 2 with bonus features. And then right here, I think this is either a booklet or a poster. Oh, okay, so Texas Chainsaw Massacre, the beginning, uncut scene selection. Alright. Then we've got the Texas Chainsaw Massacre out now, so that's for the 2003 version. And then we've got Leatherface, the Texas Chainsaw Massacre 3. He puts the teeth in terror. I don't think I've seen that one, Leatherface. Then we've got the Texas Chainsaw Massacre, the beginning, 5-disc set. Alright. Pretty cool. Then just got some more promotion for some other films like The Departed. Then we've got the front right here, the Texas Chainsaw Massacre, the beginning, unquote. Final Destination 3. Snakes on a Plane. Sliver. Tenacious D in The Pick of Destiny. Alright. Then we've got Saw 2 right here. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Put this back in here. Anyways, let me know out of these two films, which one is your favourite? My favourite's probably the beginning, because obviously the deaths are more gruesome, and yeah, even though on both of them Leatherface is like an absolute menace, but yeah, I still believe this one's probably the best one. But yeah, I wish I had this on Blu-ray, but I think on Blu-ray it's only for Region A, and I'm in Region B, and I also couldn't find the Blu-ray version anyway. But yeah. So yeah, like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you want to see more, and yeah, take care.